lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No, interactive po ang ating live sessions. Magtatanong kayo, sasagutin ko po real time. Of course, may konting delay kasi what I am doing is answering questions in order. No, for first come first serve. Ayan, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading sa kabilang channel. Ayan. So, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. So parang sinasabi natin dito, okay, I failed today, bukas uli. No? Kumbaga, you're living one day at a time. No? Ganun talaga, sometimes nasa ibabaw tayo, sometimes nasa ilalim ng hurt feelings, no? Parang sinasabi mo ngayon na dadating din yung araw na para sa akin. What I am seeing in here, your goal here is, to gather, to harvest, no, your abundance. This is what your heart desire. Ang nakikita natin dito, whatever it is, whatever the abundance, whatever the harvest you want to experience, it may be literally money, it may be a commitment from your person, it may also be a peace of mind, it might also be a career, no, or a dream job, no. What I am seeing is you keep on trying, no. I think that you failed several times. Ang sabi nga nila, failure is something that we shouldn't look as negatively, no? Kasi failure is also part of success. No, you will never know the sweetness, no, of what you harvest if there's no failure. No, mas dun mo mapapahalagahan ang mga bagay-bagay na nasa iyo kung naranasan mo ang failure. And again, wala naman ding, 'di ba, ang sabi nga nila, sino ba? Michael Jordan, right? Parang ilang beses yata siya or parang binubuli siya ng bata, sinasabihan siya na hindi siya marunong, pero look, 'di ba, naging Michael Jordan siya. Albert Einstein, 'di ba? Sinabihan siya nung kanyang professor, no, nung bata siya na kasi hindi siya nagsasalita nung bata, parang sinasabihan siya na wala siyang kakayahan para matuto, but look at him now, di ba? He became, one of the famous, if not the famous, no, na scientist. Ayan, Oprah Winfrey, di ba? Hindi siya pinayagan na sabi hindi siya magkakaroon ng TV show kasi dahil nga sa kulay niya, what have you. O look at her, di ba? Parang she hosted, one of the successful TV show, Walt Disney, di ba? Nung siya'y nagsusulat, sabing ganun sa kanya, puro pambata, no? Yung kanyang creativity, wala siyang creativity actually. Yun yung sabi nung dati niyang pinagtatrabahuhan, kaya siya nag-finire. So, look at him, di ba? He owns the Walt Disney, di ba? So, it's part of the failure na we're in. Ito yung parang magiging drive natin no, to gather the success. But with the Queen of Pentacles in here, okay, I think that you are over passionate with things. Lahat naman kasi ng sobrang hindi maganda, no? I think because of our hunger to get what we want, no? Parang dito dumadating yung part na medyo mainitin ang ulo natin. Or, masyado tayong passionate sa ating mga nakakasalamuha para tayong, um, anong tawag doon? Naapektuhan tayo ng emosyon kapag yun dun sa mga nakakakiskisa natin ng siko, no? Either nagiging sexually active or emotionally active, no, tayo. Para madali tayong ma-in love, madali tayong maakit, no? And I think what you're doing in here is, okay, nangyari na naman siya. Kailan ba ako magtatanda? I feel like kailangan ko na yatang matuto, no? But with the Ace of Swords, hindi ka naman likas na you are always a failure. I think there are just circumstances na mga nangyayari dito na parang china-challenge ka, no? I feel like na-disappoint mo na naman ang iyong sarili with the King of Cups. I feel like you're becoming a little harsh to yourself, no? Hindi mo man ipinapakita sa ibang tao, hindi ka man ganun ka-harsh sa, kapag nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa salamin. Pero when it comes to your action, makikita mo na kung nagjo-journal ka, makikita mo na parang, uy, ang harsh ko naman sa sarili ko. I shouldn't be this way, no? I think with the Knight of Pentacles, medyo maghinay-hinay tayo, no? And the Judgment, what I am seeing is, the next time, bago tayo kumuha ng isang either project, mag-accept ng isang tao, no? Welcoming into our life, or sabihin natin magdesisyon. Why not umupo muna, no? Probably itulog mo na yan, no? If it's not emergency, no? Kasi kung emergency, kung life and death situation, siguro dapat ganun din, pinag-iisipang mabuti. Pero if it requires like an immediate action, that's probably wherein medyo mahirap. Pero kung pwede naman siyang i-delay ng konti, no? Parang, ngayon, hindi ko alam yung gagawin. May I request for itulog ko muna to, no? Balikan mo ko ng mga tanghali or hapon, no? Baka meron na akong sagot sa tanong. Kasi what I'm seeing in here is nagiging mahiyain tayo either to say no, nagiging mahiyain tayo to reveal, no, kung ano yung tunay nating nararamdaman. Sometimes, meron ditong mga pagkakataon with the Knight of Cups and the King of Wands, even with the Hangman, no, na damang-dama na natin sa sarili natin na parang ayaw nating gawin, pero because of hiya, parang sige, umuoo tayo. Because of probably utang na loob, umuoo tayo. Kahit labag na sa loob natin, kahit na hindi natin gusto yung pangyayari, tumatahimik na lang tayo. I think this is the time for you to open up, speak to your, speak up, no? Let your voice heard. Let your voice heard. Sige, mag-audition ka sa The Voice. Let your voice be heard. Ayan. But what I'm really trying to say here is, kailangan na nating magsalita, no? Kailangan nating iparating ang tunay nating nararamdaman. Sa sobrang bait natin, parang feeling natin nagagalit lahat ng tao, no? What we need to do is sometimes we have to mabait tayo sa ibang tao pero hindi tayo nagiging mabait sa sarili natin. Ayan, real talk na. Libra, na real talk kita. So, this is your reading. Before I give you the zodiac sign of your person or the people involved, again, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel, ang Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel created for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon. Interactive yan. Pwede kayong magtanong doon. Kung hindi nyo man siya naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Pero kung feeling ninyo, hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. Sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. So click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po ang question form, amount per question, name and number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So that is a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. Now, Libra, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. All right? So, Leo, pwedeng kapwa Libra, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo. No? So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.